Another child dies after being in locked car for hours. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The staff and students of a school in Rollington Town St. Andrew are in a state of shock following an incident in which a boy died on Thursday after being in a locked car for several hours outside the school compound. The boy is said to have been 4 years old. The Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, has confirmed the incident. It is similar to the case that happened a month ago, but we have not prepared an official report yet. It is still under investigation, a representative of the CCU told Links 007 TV News on Friday. Reports are that the boy and other children were transported to school by a teacher about 9 a.m. on Thursday. The other children reportedly exited the vehicle, but the boy didn't. Hours later, the teacher reportedly discovered that the child was still in the car. After the child was discovered, he was rushed to the Bustamante Hospital for Children, where he was pronounced dead at about 3:30 p.m. This is the second such incident in just over a month. On January the 19th, 80-month-old Shonley Dobson died at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth after being left in a car for about 8 hours. No one has been charged in relation to that death, which was reportedly involved a police officer. This was what the distraught father had to say about the child that was carried to school by the teacher.
I can't sleep, I can't stop thinking about my son. I never expect me to live to see that day. Never expect. And my son full of sense. My son is a very smart little boy. Nothing of them say cannot add up about how my son dead. Nothing at all. I know I don't see the teacher and I have to talk to the teacher. No, here is the second or the third time. My son, him live with his mother. So the teacher got pick him up at his mother's house. Because him got school over by his mother's side. And she got pick him up. Fear story with them say, because I don't hear fear story, I don't see she. What them say she say is that she left him in the son and forget. She left him in the car and forget him. How that makes sense? If you carry more than one picnic at school and you teach the picnic them, or you gonna left one picnic in the car and you carry him to school, and when him dead when school over, you gonna find out that this little boy never attend to his class.
That was the father of Jordan Clark speaking to reporters. It is alleged that the teacher carried a group of students to the school, but the child, Jordan Clark, did not get out the vehicle. Later in the day, the teacher reportedly went back to check and discovered the child unresponsive. Superintendent Tommy Lee Chambers, who commands the Kingston Eastern Police Division, confirms the child's death to reporters and said that an investigation has been launched. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.